Hey, what's up, folks? Welcome again to Car Geek Advice. Today is a beautiful day. We're going to be doing something a bit different from driving, something that all drivers need to know because it's a necessary skill for you to be a good driver. So, yesterday I had a flat tire. I stepped on a screw that went inside and I had to change the tire and put on the manufacturer's spare wheel. The manufacturer's spare wheel is not recommended for long distances or for cruising along the highways. You need to change the spare wheel as soon as you repair the wheel that was there. So here I am on the highway, a beautiful afternoon. I'm gonna be teaching you the simplest way to change your tire, and it is a necessary skill that you all need to know. So let's go change the tire. What you need is car jack, your wheel spanner, and this. I don't know the name of this, but you need these two. So the first thing you do is put your jack in place. You need to put your jack under a metallic body part. You realize that down here there are so many plastics. If you place your jack under a plastic body part, it's going to break the plastic part. So you need to ensure that your car jack is under a metallic body part, which is usually right here. It's the part that joins the car body, so it's easy to find it. So after you put your jack in place, you shouldn't lift the car up yet. So the next thing you do is loosen up the nuts on your wheel using this wheel spanner. So you realize that we have one special nut. So all you do is use your special nut opener and then simply use the spanner. So you need to use this thing, I don't know the name, and the wheel spanner to lift up the jack. So you hook the thing to the jack, then just make a right angle. There is a hole here, so that you can easily lift it up. So after we are done lifting the car up to a good height, the next thing is to remove the wheel, then put on the wheel that we need, then put on the nuts, and you're good to go. So you need to ensure that your car jack is high enough to ensure that you insert the wheel into these things smoothly. After you've tightened up your nuts, you need to tighten them further. You've heard of situations where someone is cruising down the road and the wheel comes off. That is very dangerous. So we need to tighten them further with a lot of strength. Watch me. As you can see, all the nuts are in tight, very tight, and we're good to go. We're good to cruise. So after you do that, you will simply remove your jack, same way as you put it down. Just twist the opposite side and the car will go down smoothly. So we are done. We are good to go, good to cruise. You simply take back your things into your car. Yeah. Thank you for watching and enjoy your cruising.